Hello friends, Marcy here. I'm creating some tab dividers for my new ring planner that I'll be sure to share with you. But I wanted to stop as I was making them today in the middle of decision-making process and share with you what I was doing and how I was deciding on finishing them up. Of course, this first one I cut the same size as my planner inserts for my personal wide. This is my new personal wide Giglio Campagna, and so I'm making planners for that, and I think that matches the color beautifully. I love the soft florals. But I cut this one last week, and I made it this just about the same size as the planner inserts that I had printed and trimmed. But when I continued making more, I thought I'd make them just a tad bigger than the paper. And once I put them inside my planner, I didn't like it the way it stuck out. So I'm going to trim these down to all the same size. That'll be my next step. But what I want to show you is the tab making process. I used, when I trimmed these 5x7, I got two, actually the front and the back, out of one sheet that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. And so I have these leftover scrap papers. And I used my tab punch. You can see on here where I punched it. In using my tab punch, I'm able to pick what kind of floral design, if any, that I want on my tab. And to do that, I actually bought this. You can get it at Amazon, but I bought mine at Hobby Lobby and used my 40% coupon. Usually you put your paper in the slot and you press and it tab punches. But to pick my design, I open the back cover and hold it upside down, and then I place my paper inside, and I'm able to slide it around and kind of pick what I want to show up on my tab. So I can pick floral, I can pick half floral, half wood grain, or I can slide it all the way down and I can just pick wood grain. And I have done that. You can see here I have some that are just wood grain, the floral. So I was being particular as how I put my paper in or where I placed my paper when I did my tab punch. So that's very pretty. A lot of gorgeous color on there, and then I just take it out and I'm ready for my next one. And I think I'll go ahead and do that now because I'll show you one more trick. That one, I love that. That's going to be on the front of the tab, and that's going to be on the back. Okay, so I did that process with some different pattern paper that I have here that I cut for my planner. And I was being, again, particular on each tab. But what I was working on was I glued with my dot runner. I ran the glue just on the top part of the tab and then glued them together, leaving the bottom part open. And my intention was that I could open this and glue it on the side of my paper. I'm not sure where I'm going to affix the tabs, if I want 3 on a side, 4 on a side, or how many. So after I get them all lined up, I'm going to fix where I want my tabs attached. And then I was also considering how am I going to attach them, like this, or leaving this side open, just a little gap like I did on the tab. I can put them inside like this, and I think I like this setup better. After I place them where I want and get them all lined up, stacked, and get all my tabs lined up where I want them, I'm going to laminate them for durability. So I just wanted to share that little tab making process with you. This was very affordable using the coupon, and it can be a lot of fun. Now you can call me creative in having my creative fun, or you can call me frugal and cheap for not dashing right out and spending a lot of money on all those tab dividers. The ones I really like are at Cloth and Paper, and I just haven't decided what color I'm going to purchase. And here it is. I'm looking toward the end of the year, so I'm going to wait until closer to the beginning of the year before I make those decisions. But I thought I would just help you out if you want to get creative and make your own tab dividers. Here's a very inexpensive way to do it. Right now, these pages are, you can get $4 for $1 at Hobby Lobby, and so that's gorgeous. Also, I'm planning on using some of this decorative acetate and decorative vellum to decorate the planner, and those are also very inexpensive. hope and pray that you have a blessed day.